family. Now I want to show for you guys this account, how I can claim this account. So last time, before 2 days, I think 3 days or 2 days, I posted this video. This broker, this profile. So now look at it. I got this 150 points. So everyone, you can claim, you can get this point and claim your account. So now I want to show for you guys, after all my tasks verified, then I got these points. If you guys got these points, then we have to claim this account. Now I already posted this video, you saw, you can check it, you can check it out there in this channel. I posted this 5k free account, how you can claim this account. Every step I posted in my video, I put it in my video. So now already I have got this account, these points. So what I do is here I try to claim my account now. By using these points, I try to claim my account. So to do that, now let's go here, reward. Look at here. First you have to finish this one. I already sent for you guys this video last time. You see this one, you check out this one, you finish these tasks. I don't know it is available or not now, I don't know, but before 2 days I posted this video, check it. So now we do this thing, we claim this 5k free account for everyone. So this broker is very amazing. It is legit profile. Here is 150 points you need to claim, but the minimum is 120 points you need to collect, or you need to do these tasks by collecting that points. So after you do that, after you check these all things, now we go to claiming process, and step by step I show. Just it is not simple, but you follow my steps, you follow this video steps to claim this account. Look at my offer. This is a competition right now, not going on. Look at it. Before that, let's go challenge phase. How much is the price if we want to buy 5k account? How much the money? Let's check it. For example, now where we are, this is a 5k standard one step trade broker, extra payout, one time, 1 day percent refund fee, $45. So now we are going to claim for free just this account, $45 account for free. Understand, people? You go join my account. I told for you guys many times, I said join my Telegram channel, receive daily free legit accounts, no deposit, it's just for free. Many people have been withdrawing by joining my Telegram. So now look at here, 100% free account claim. Congratulations, claim your 5,000 account for free. Your challenge account size is 5,000. Challenge type is standard, 2 types. Ready to start? 1. log into your account here. 2. Navigate to your trading dashboard. 3. Review the challenge rules and requirements. 4. Begin trading with your 5,000 account. Management rules through complete within a specified time frame. So now we want to claim this one, claim reward. Do you see now? Pending. Now look at what they said. You will be contacted soon via email. By my email, they will contact me. So now I claimed my 5k free account. Do you see? This is legit. I don't post scam. I post only legit, no deposit bonus. I post only real, withdrawable, proof with proof. So look at. Now I do this thing pending. Now I will receive email. I will receive a email verification credentials to login the trade. Before that, everyone, you need to understand this. This is very important. You must know trading rules, otherwise you lose your account. So that is what it is. Now look at it. 30 points remain. To get this account, 120 points need. So I had 150 points, but now 30. Look at it. So this is what it is. Subscribe my channel. Subscribe. Join my Telegram. I put the Telegram link in this video description section. Join.